Can I avoid sunscreen if I'm using an SPF based makeup?
Nope, you can't. The reason is the SPF in makeup is never sufficient. It's typically about 15, even if it says 30, it never is, because you're not going to use sufficient quantity, so you need a sunscreen under that makeup.
Does using makeup make us age faster?
Nope, not really, never heard of that, unless you're using like cheap makeup.
Does makeup with skincare ingredients work?
Depends. Well, it depends on the ingredient. Not every active ingredient can be infused into makeup. Otherwise, that'll penetrate and it'll take the pigment molecules into the skin. So I'm still holding off on that. I would say it has some benefits, but not like it can't replace skincare.
They say the expensive your cream, the younger you're going to stay. What do you have to say about that?
Oh my gosh, I wish that was true, right? But I think you're just gonna get more pauper and you're gonna age as you're gonna age. Expensive doesn't mean anything. It just means that there's more money for branding and marketing for the company. It doesn't mean that it is high efficacy or the product quality is fantastic. It really is about the clinical research, studies, and who's formulating it.